They gave me so much hope. And I thought that this maybe could be the missing link that I needed.
Linda, thank you so much for joining me today to discuss your experience dealing with IBD and getting such tremendous results all the way from Sweden. My gosh, I'm so happy to have you here. Thanks
Thank you for having me.
Yes, thank you so much for being here. Can you first share what were you diagnosed with, how long ago, and what was that like for you and your family?
I was diagnosed with Crohn's disease in 2022.
Mm-hmm.
It was a kind of horrible situation because I ended up at the emergency room.
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't even drink water. I was in so much pain and they hospitalized me. My lab results were really, really bad and they put me on prednisone, which really helped, but it gave me a lot of unpleasant side effects. And after that, I met with my GI doctor who gave me some brochures about the disease and also about some medications they wanted me to try. And I read through them all and I did a lot of research and I thought, well, this is not what I want for my life or my future. There must be something else. So I started to search a lot on the internet and I found Ginny Patel and listened to her gut. So I did a lot of her protocols, but it was kind of hard to do it by myself while having a full-time job and a family to take care of. And then last year in January, I ended up at the emergency room again with another round of prednisone. And then I thought, well, I really need to do something more here. So I found your story and the testimonies and I watched them all. They gave me so much hope. And I thought that this maybe could be the missing link that I needed. So I ended up with the S.H.I.E.L.D program last year. Yeah.
My gosh, Linda, I'm so happy to hear that. And, you know, just for that hope again, you watched all these testimonies. You're doing
Yes.
Sitting, could that ever be me? Is this a fake? Is this a scam? Now you're doing it yourself, all the way from Sweden on the other side of the world. We're a global company. That's, you know, the big point that we can get amazing results all around the world. But I love to hear that. And anyone listening, just a recommendation, the more you put that energy of possibilities into your heart, into your spirit, into your ecosystem, I think the more likely you're attracting it. So, you know, we have hundreds of these people around the world who've gotten these kind of results, and take the time to watch them because it'll really help condition your body, mind, and spirit on what's possible. And I think that's one thing Linda did right off the bat, is took that time. So Linda, diagnosed Crohn's disease in Sweden, you're trying to take care of your family and work a full-time job and trying to deal with this. And you want to use natural medicine. You believe it can work, but you're just not figuring it out, right? You're trying liquids and changing diet, getting gluten-free, dairy-free, maybe trying a little wad of oregano or, you know, some probiotics, but it just wasn't all coming together. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And you've been working, how long were you trying natural medicine before you started in the S.H.I.E.L.D program? Like how long were you doing the diets and
2 years maybe?
2 years. So after that 2 years of hard work, it looks like your symptoms, I see here, you were still having like 15 bowel movements a day. Is that correct?
Yeah.
And what else was happening? Like what were your symptoms like, you know, 2 years of hard work? I think
I had very, very low energy. I really needed taking a nap every afternoon.
Yeah.
A lot of mucus, a lot of cramping and pain, and joint pain. I also experienced a lot of joint pain.
And what about, I mean, a lot of loose stool, mucus, a ton of urgency.
Yes.
Bloating, gas.
A lot of bloating.
And you were waking up in the middle of the night.
Sometimes, not every night.
Not every night.
Yeah.
So sometimes you'd wake up to have a bathroom, go to the bathroom and have a BM. I mean, you're sitting here, large amount of cramping and pain, tons of urgency, mucus, gas, bloat, 15 bowel movements a day. How do you manage this and go to work and take care of kids?
I don't really know. I didn't know.
Try to go to the bathroom 4 times in the morning, get it all out, get the kids, get everything going, get to work, go to the bathroom 2 or 3 times at work, come home, go to the bathroom 2 or 3 more times, and then 3 more times before bed. I mean, was that kind of like what was happening over these last few years?
Yeah, it wasn't that bad every day. It was like some weeks it could be almost normal, and some weeks it could be like you described.
Like
so
up at ebb and flow, go up.
Yeah.
And up and
Yes.
down. Wow. Okay. And so you're dealing with that and you finally decide, what made you think, what was the big thing that made you feel like the S.H.I.E.L.D program could be different than just all this other therapies you had tried? What made you think this is it? I'm going to give this a go.
It was that you personalized it to every individual and that you can have a personal coach, because I have tried everything by my own. And I thought that now I really need some help to sort everything out. So I think it was that, and also that I listened to all of the podcasts and testimonies, and I did a lot of research on everything you were talking about. I thought that this really makes sense.
Okay. You really started doing your homework education, said, hey, I'm going to give this a try. Linda, it's been about 8 months since you joined the program from Sweden after 2 years of chronic sickness. What are your symptoms now?
None.
None.
Yeah, a little gas, like 1 time a week. Yeah.
Okay, you got a little gas, 1 to 2 bowel movements a day, normal.
Yeah.
No mucus, urgency, blood, cramping, pain, arthritic pain, gone.
Gone.
Energy, 12 out of 10 is I think what you are on. Energy's fantastic, sleeping through the night, eliminated all your symptoms. And were you taking any medications to achieve this?
No.
No medications, joint pain gone, energy fantastic from a 1 or 2 out of 10, sleeping through the night, no problem, eliminating bloating, cramping, pain, gas, eliminated mucus, urgency, stool issues, and going from 15 bowel movements a day to 1 to 2. This is the crazy part, Linda. How quickly did you start seeing symptom relief?
After 2 to 3 weeks.
14 days?
Yeah.
In 14 days, you started noticing less bowel movements, less pain, less urgency.
Yes.
Everyone, I cannot guarantee that for everyone around the world. This is a chess match. It's not easy, but that is a home run. That is a grand slam. Amazing, Linda. I mean, what did your doctor have to say about this? Did you even tell him?
He just said he was happy about the result and that I was feeling so great.
Just congratulations, keep it moving.
Yeah.
And your kids and your family must be thrilled. Are they kind of shocked with how much better you're doing?
Yes, they are. They are so happy and so thankful for everything because they really couldn't believe, or I couldn't believe that it was possible to feel this great.
Linda, something else crazy about your case. Your latest calprotectin test, what did it say?
1.
1.
Yes, 1.
A 1. That's so perfect.
Perfect.
0 inflammation, no medications, all from Sweden with a 1 calprotectin. Wow. Unbelievable. Who knew an online program with IBD practitioners and coaches could do this? Were you expecting these results to be this good?
No. I wasn't, because I couldn't really believe that I could feel this great. Wow. I thought that feeling good was not like this.
Oh my God, I'm so happy for you, Linda. Just so grateful. That's why we're here. That's why we built it. Coach Armand, myself have been through this extreme, and so we know it. Armand, what do you think are some things she did? Why do you think she was so successful?
I mean, I think Linda was definitely a star client, to say the least. And I'm not just saying that because she's on the call. She was always on it, really diligent. She read up a lot. She watched all the videos. I remember on our second session, she already sped along and thoroughly studied a lot of the modules in the S.H.I.E.L.D program. And also she already had a prior knowledge from having read a lot of Ginny Patel's protocols. Yep. So you can tell she always had that innate proactive nature to read up and know the reasons why she's doing it, not just do things because I said it. And I think is that desire to want to learn that makes people, particularly her, so successful, because at its core, the S.H.I.E.L.D program is an educational program. I always say that. And Linda definitely took that on board and she took the reins of her own health. And that is true throughout the process.
I love that. I think I echo that. And because of your work, Linda, we were able to add on to what you already did. You were already disciplined around nutrition. We were able to then work on things like microbiome, drainage pathways, digestion, properly cleaning out the colon so you don't have all those 3 to 4 bowel movements back to back and have one full evacuation. And discipline. Everyone out there, your work does matter. The discipline and the effort and the experience, we can add on that. Just because it didn't work doesn't mean the whole thing can't work. Okay, it takes reps. It really takes reps. If Linda had come in here without any experience, it might have been a little harder for her. So it does matter. Don't lose hope if you're there and you're trying and it's not working.
Yeah. And learning the reasons why, learning the reasons why you're doing things, I think is so important for long-term empowerment, which is something you always convey. And I think Linda empowered herself because she asked questions and she wanted to learn. And that's really important.
That's very important. Learn. Don't just take something because you're told to. Learn what it does and why and move forward. Linda, how important was it to have someone like Coach Armand there step by step? Somebody who had healed his own IBD experience and worked with hundreds of people with IBD around the world. How important was that? Do you think you could have got the results without that private coaching, without Armand helping to lead your plan?
No, definitely not. He was so important. It was everything. To be able to send messages to him if I had a question, and to
support.
have those coaching sessions was huge for me.
Yeah, customizing your plan, building it for you, tweaking it along the way, communicating with you, how's it going, what's working, help, and then changing the variables based on your experience. Guys, that's one of the big things we do here. It's not just the perfect plan. It's putting together a strategy, seeing how your body responds, tweaking it along the way, and understanding what root issues might be connected to what symptoms, and then proving it. And that's what we did. And look, 2 weeks later, I mean, massive symptom relief. 30, 40, that's Yahtzee. That's us saying, hey, we know what that is. We know what's going on with the colon. We know root issues. We know how to work on that microbiome and digestion. And boom, hit that Yahtzee. And you've been good now for 6 months. I mean, you got results very quickly. And so 1 to 2 bowel movements for quite some time now, half a year.
Yeah. Yeah, I had a little speed bump in the middle, but we twisted a little bit and we got great result after like 1 or 2 weeks again. So
there we go. And guys, speed bumps are when your body's telling you something different and we have to just tweak, and that's totally fine. It's completely normal for that to happen. And if we don't get good at speed bumps, how are we going to be good with this in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years from now? The goal is not just to get rid of symptom relief. That in itself is unbelievable, but to become self-empowered, to build your shield, your answer that you can continue to customize for you over time. Unbelievable, Linda. So happy. If there's one thing you want to highlight for the plan, I think you already said it, but one thing you would highlight to everyone out there, you said, man, this really helped me out. What do you think it would be? Anyone listening really resonating with your experience?
Well, for me, it wasn't just one thing. It was all the things together. It was the supplements, the elemental shake, and the coaching, also the EFT tapping, and the food philosophy. Because when I read about the food philosophy, it was like, okay, now everything makes sense around food, because I had so much problem with eating before. I couldn't eat this and I couldn't eat that, and I tried to eliminate everything.
Do you feel like you're on a diet now?
No.
Guys, that is the cardinal goal of food philosophy. We lived on diets for years. I'm AIP, I'm paleo, I'm carnivore, I'm vegan. We want to get rid of a diet and build a lifestyle that makes us happy and healthy. That is food philosophy. Food philosophy is to look at any plate of food and assess its risk. Now, Linda is empowered to go to a wedding, go to a restaurant, go on vacation, go anywhere and go, yes, no, why or why not? Not today, maybe tomorrow. I'll take digestive enzymes, I'll use binders, I'll use liver support. Yeah. All these tools to make the food work for her. And now she just gets to be an adult about it, a responsible adult, and just say yes or no. And if she wants to have a celebration meal, because we don't cheat in this program, she can have a celebration meal. And shout out to Coach Armand, who's just been one of our biggest. I mean, Armand has been one of the most successful coaches on our team. He's been working with us for about 7 or 8 years now. He's seen hundreds of people around the world and dealt with this as a teenager at a young age and has been able to take back his own life, run marathons, go around the world and change a massive amount of lives. If you think Coach Armand might be the coach for you, you can also put this link right below on YouTube and you just say, hey, I want to work with Armand. Armand works with a lot of our clients around the world, lives in Spain and London, going back and forth, and worked with all of our clients in Australia and Europe and Canada and Sweden and so forth. Linda, I'm just so impressed with you and just what you've been able to do. Thank you for having the courage to share your story. One last thing. If you want to share a piece of hope or advice in your native tongue, would you be willing to give that last piece of word of advice in Swedish?
Absolutely. Du, precis som jag, kämpar med IBD och känner att det måste finnas något annat sätt att hantera det här, så är det här helt rätt. Dane har byggt ett fantastiskt program med ett fantastiskt team som har en enorm erfarenhet och kunskap som kan hjälpa dig på vägen. Du måste kämpa, men det är värt det. Så tveka inte utan kontakta CCL, Crohn's Colitis Lifestyle.